Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is, I don't know, 8 or 9 year update. It probably says so in the interview we do with him. But it's 8 or 9 years out from his first case. He's a guy that's a couple years younger than me, who's a star of a couple of videos, including one entitled "An Unusual Side Effect of Hair Transplants." Remember, he had a good-looking wife that he traded in on a bikini model. Anyhow,
you know how I feel about that.
Well, anyhow, here he was before, and here he is now, and he did this little video. All right, Steve, so you're 4 years younger than me, and I first met you in 2014, and it is October the 1st tomorrow of 2021. So a long time. I got your old picture up to your right, and man, I think you look fantastic. And we did your front case, and then we did a little fill up in the middle, bend over just a little bit, a couple years later. And you were just telling me, and you've got a really hot bikini model girlfriend, which has all the attributes of the superficial male would find interesting. And you said she rubs your head all the time and she's never noticed anything.
Never.
All right, let me get the back of your head. Spin around. All right, this is after 2 strip cases with Lindsey. There's my cut right there. There's this. So about 1 millimeter wide after 2 cases. Spin back around. Have I been up front with you? Any kind of bullshit that I pulled on you?
Never.
Anything you want to tell people that might want to come in?
Just do it.
Okay. And man, I appreciate you coming. So what do you think? I mean, he's a dude that's roughly my age with grayish hair.
Yeah.
And it's hard to get a bad result in that if unless you do something stupid. And like all guys, he's living the dream.
He wants more hair.
It's changed his attitude, and he feels young and thinks he looks as young as he feels, right?
Well, yeah, that's everybody's problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyhow, he's one of our favorite patients. He's always got good stories, and hopefully we'll see him again soon.